Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add shadows to images in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, the end result will look something like this, and let me just quickly delete that and show you how you can get to it. Firstly, you need to upload your own images or create your own images using AI, or do whatever. You just use them and drag and drop them to the actual slide, and this is what it looks like. Now, this is just a simple image. What you need to do for a shadow is click on the image, then edit the image in the top left, go into effects and go into shadows. Then once you're in shadows, you need to choose which type of shadows you want, either contour, glow, angled, whichever you want. I'll choose contoured or glow, and then you can modify the size, modify the blur. I'll put the blur into 0, or actually this is pretty much the size of the actual shadow, so I'll put it at, I don't know, 30%, intensity 100, choose the color whichever you want. Size, I'll put it to 70, and now it should be done. For some reason, my pictures keep disappearing, so let me just set it as a background and, well, separate it from the background. For some reason, that shadow doesn't want to show, but let's say I want an angled shadow. Just put it like this, rotation, let's put it at 10, intensity 100. Again, the same thing happens for some reason, and I'm not sure that should put shadows in your images. For some reason, it's not working for me right now. Let me try a different image such as this one. These images won't load for some random reason, but pretty much you get the point. That is how you add your images. For some reason, it's not working for me, and I'm sorry for that. It did work literally 5 minutes ago, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.